In this video, we're going to talk about how to adjust the harvest window and why that is so important. So go into your crop planner and find your plant. So Lysianthus, for example, is something that keep in mind the harvest window, the first harvest date and the last harvest date or expected harvest dates. We want to make sure that it includes any time that it's also available to be held in the cooler. So basically, what is the window of time that people are going to be able to buy that from you? So from the very first day that you harvest that until perhaps frost for dahlias, or with peony season when the first one of that color blooms, and then add 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, however confident you are in your cooler temperature and how long you're able to hold that flower, how long it actually lasts in the cooler. That way, when it shows up under that harvest window, you can see what is blooming during that time, and then that crop is available. So think of it as the availability that that crop is able to be sold rather than how many dates it's actually blooming. It's not a perfect system, but this is the best way we could come up with documenting when those types of flowers are going to be available. Now, the reason this is so important, I'm going to switch profiles here. So here is my profile as a florist because I have a dual account, a farmer and a florist. So now this is what it looks like on the florist end. They're going to be able to type in that date and see, or they're going to be able to click through that date and see for their crop planning or for their recipe planning for next year, their sourcing, their wish list. They can see these are all 40 of the things that I will have blooming or available to be sold during that time period from my farm to them. So that is why those projected harvests are so important.